Cherwell Service Management easily integrates with BeyondTrust remote support. This empowers support technicians using Cherwell Service Management to launch a secure remote support session directly from any incident record or any record to immediately access and begin remotely diagnosing and resolving issues, fix any remote device, running any platform located anywhere in the world through one solution. And users can also initiate support chat sessions from the Cherwell self-service portal. This increases first call resolution rates, shortens call handling times, eliminates site visits, and will improve service levels. With the integration in place, providing remote control and chat capability directly from incident records or throughout Cherwell Service Management is made easy. Using BeyondTrust Jump technology, a technician can initiate a session key, allowing an end user to navigate to a URL in which they can enter a support session key, allowing the technician to initiate remote control to that device. This information can also be provided in email, in which the end user can have clickable links and session key information to utilize directly from email. With the session key information in hand, an end user can navigate to the support portal, enters that session key, downloads a small executable, which will be removed after the support session ends, and starts the initiation of that connection to his or her device. When the connection is established, the support technician will be notified in his BeyondTrust remote control console. The end user is also provided with a chat window to communicate with the technician, providing any additional details that may be required for this support session. At this point, the support technician can initiate that session, begin to chat to find out exactly any additional details. A remote control of that machine allows the technician to easily resolve any issues that may be happening on that system. When the session ends, BeyondTrust provides an end user survey and also provides details of what took place during that remote session, allowing that to be passed to the incident record on the Cherwell Service Management for knowledge purposes, for escalation purposes, and for auditing purposes. What is also available is the ability for a technician to remote control an unattended device. Using the pin jump technology, a technician can navigate to his CMDB, pick up on the CI that's required for him to perform support on, and then navigate to initiating remote control directly from the incident record. Once initiated, a call goes out to the information on that specific CI chosen and initiates a remote control capability using the BeyondTrust remote control solution. Here, the technician can do a screen share with that unattended device, allowing him to perform any support functionality he needs to carry out. And once completed, all of the information that he may have transferred to that device or updated that device will be recorded and can be passed back to the Cherwell Service Management incident record. With this integration, chat capabilities allowing end users to chat directly with support technicians can be placed on the self-service portal. In this example, an end user is navigating to a specific ticket and looking for an update. That end user can initiate a chat with the support organization by clicking on the Chat with Support link. This allows them to initiate a chat session, giving them information that they may require. Once that's initiated, the technician can accept that connection on his BeyondTrust remote control support console and start any chat sessions, remote control sessions directly from this window. A technician can navigate directly into remote control session with the end user via that chat session. Once this is completed and ends, as all of the other sessions, all of the transcripts that took place between the support technician and the end user can be recorded directly to the ticket for auditing purposes or update purposes or even knowledge purposes as well. When each of the sessions ends, a journal support history is brought back to the ticket. It captures the session start time, it captures the session end time, the representative that worked on the ticket, any chat session IDs, any chat conversations that took place between the customer and the technician. Are there any recordings of this that took place? And any additional details that you may require, things like CI events, CI details, and other details can be passed back to the ticket for auditing, escalations, and knowledge, and any other data required for reporting purposes. Thank you very much. I hope this was informative for you.